apple cinnamon jam. We have 2 kgs, which is 5 pounds of apple. Peel the skin off and chop them into little pieces. Take a clean pan and turn on the stove on medium heat. Put all the apple slices in the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Cook the apples for 15 minutes with the lid closed. After 15 minutes, add a 2-inch cinnamon stick. Cook them for another 15 minutes with the lid on. After 15 minutes, your apples will be reduced quite a bit. Now put the flame on low. Put 4 cups of sugar, which is half kg. After 15 minutes, take out the cinnamon stick. Now we'll mash it with the potato masher. We'll make a smooth paste out of it. Cook it until it becomes thick. Check the thickness on a plate. If you tilt the plate, it's not runny, then it's ready. If it's runny, cook more. When it's thick enough, turn off the stove. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. When it cools down, put it in a clean jar. Our cinnamon apple jam is ready to enjoy.